Alright, this is an occupational shaving mug. This one was made by Samish, 211 Post Street, San Francisco, California. Sorry about the noise, my fish is having a fit now for some reason. There's a little bit of erosion to the gold. On the inside, it's actually in the ceramic. This belonged to Byron Clark. And Byron was Blacksmith, as you can see. He is working on the anvil with his hammer and his tongs. I don't really have anything else to add here. I always found these cool, but they've never been my thing in this hobby. Mainly because they're fragile, bulky, and usually really expensive. But I ended up with this because I really wanted the razor that this was being sold with. So here I am with an occupational shaving mug. No cracks. Just a few specks in the porcelain that I'm guessing were always there. And a little bit of erosion. Sorry I can't be more exciting about this, but it's a shaving mug. An occupational shaving mug, but it's a shaving mug. Cool nonetheless. Byron Clark. Rest in peace, Blacksmith. You had good taste.